Yo, it's your boy, Mouse Man. I'm trying to do a bit of a KSI intro there. You know, today we're going to be watching funniest animal videos. Now, this is a topic I've wanted to do for ages. Now, stick to the end, because they get crazy. Now, let's not wait and get straight into it. That bird is...
Mr. Krabs! He's so cute! Oh my god! How are you still here? Go
That
away.
is so random.
Those are just Compton fans. I need an egg. Thank you.
I need an egg. Thank you. What are they running from?
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia. Para Bolonia.
Damn.
Qué bueno, tío.
Bro does not want to be disturbed.
In my car, maybe there's something there.
Oh, I've seen this video. Oh, and a slight bit of
The
showers
sheep was
today.
stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Молодец, я. Умничка. Умничка. Все, операция удалась.
This is how our superior intelligence, like, just completely tops animals.
This poor little hedgehog deflated. These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh. Nah, he's not dead. He's faking. Bro is definitely faking.
This person
Told you.
tried picking up a frog.
Bro, I can easily, but just pick it up from the legs, guys. If you're ever playing with frogs, just pick it up from the legs. Bro hit puberty. Damn.
Hey, you almost done?
What is... Oh, I've seen this one. Oh, good old kangaroos, mate. From our Aussie cousin. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I know it's pretty short, but my devices cannot take the storage of the length of this video, so if you want to see a part 2, make sure to like and subscribe. This is completely just for fun. I just like sharing videos with dogs. Make sure to go subscribe to David First. Subscribe to me so you can see me make videos like these. And see you in the next one. Peace out.